EVS Chapter 14 Our Clothes, page number 73. We wear clothes to cover our body and to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, wind, and sun. We wear different kinds of clothes depending on the season, the place we live in, the work we do. Did you know, children? In olden times, people used to leaves, twigs, and skins of animals to cover their bodies. Types of clothing. We wear different types of clothes in different occasions and different seasons. There are 5 main seasons in India: summer, winter, rainy season, spring, and autumn. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. In summer, we wear cotton and linen clothes. They keep our body cool. We get cotton and linen from plants. Some summer clothes are frock, t-shirt, skirt, pair of shorts. In winter, we wear woolen clothes. They keep our body warm. We also wear woolen clothes in places that are very cold, such as mountains. Some winter clothes are pullover, jacket, pair of gloves, a cap, and a muffler, woolen pants. We also wear clothes made from silk in winter. We get silk from silkworms. We get wool from sheep. Camel and rabbit hair is also used to make warm clothes. Sometimes the skin of some animals like cows, buffaloes, camels, snakes, and crocodiles are also used to make clothes. This is called leather. Belts, shoes, sandals, bags, and sometimes even jackets are made from leather. We should not wear clothes made of leather or fur because animals have to be killed to get them. In rainy season, we use things like raincoats, gumboots, and umbrellas to protect us from the rain and keep us dry. These things are usually made of rubber and plastics. Sometimes people wear special clothes that tell us what work they do. This is known as uniform. Children also wear uniform when they go to school. As you can see in this picture, people in different countries wear different types of clothes, like an Indian lady wearing a sari, a Japanese lady wearing a kimono. Sometimes we wear special clothes for a special purpose, such as for swimming, for a play, for a dance, etc. Such clothes are known as costumes. Clothes should be washed and ironed regularly. Wearing clean clothes is a healthy habit. We should not wear clothes made of leather or fur because animals have to be killed to get them. Now children, let's remember some keywords. Woolen, made of wool. Uniform, special clothes that people wear according to the job they do. Costumes, special clothes that are worn for a special purpose. Now children, we will do question answers related to this chapter. Question number 1. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Answer. In summer, we wear cotton clothes. They keep our body cool. Question number 2. What kind of clothes do we wear in winter? Answer. In winter, we wear woolen clothes. They keep our body warm. Question number 3. What is a uniform? Name any 3 people who wear uniform to work. Answer. Some people wear special clothes. Tell us what work they do. This is known as uniform. Policeman, nurse and postman are 3 people who wear uniforms to work.